What's up, you beautiful people? Bringing you the GoPro HERO9 Black Dual Battery Charger and the rechargeable battery. Let's go ahead and open up the dual battery charger really quick here. We have the limited lifetime warranty on this side of the box. We have ourselves with charge 2 GoPro batteries simultaneously, as well as the different other languages. And it comes with the dual battery charger, battery, USB-C cable. On this end here, it also says it's compatible with the HERO9 Black only. Let's go ahead and open this guy up. You get our USB-C cable, battery that comes with that, and a dual charger battery unit. We have our paper mache, and nothing's in that box. And then we have ourselves with the important product safety instructions, and in many different languages. And we have our quick how to make it work video. It is a little bit different than the Hero 8 Black, based off of the way the battery inserts itself. It's not a full closure. It's just the top piece right there. It fits in just like that. And what we'll do is we'll take a look at the rechargeable battery HERO9 Black and limited warranty. A little bit some stuff here with the rechargeable lithium-ion battery for your GoPro. It's supposed to last longer based off of the little blue indication there on the top of the battery. Nothing else in the box. One of these warnings being a battery and a limited lifetime warranty paperwork, and no plastic bag on that one, but paper mache box. And the battery here, now most of these batteries look like they're kind of compressed in a way. Let's take a look at this one again. Not too much. I don't know if you guys can really see that, but it's like a little shadowy piece right there. And most of them are like that. They kind of collapsed in a way. And that's it. That's our GoPro HERO9 battery dual charger cable. Well, thanks for watching, guys. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them below. Go ahead and leave a thumbs up on the video, and have a wonderful day.